COVID cases in our country are touching new peaks every day, now it's time we should think for some alternative methods. One of the most important aspects is growing plants indoors, which will make your home happy and healthy. If you have plants at your home or workplace, you feel relaxed and comfortable. There are many plants which are known to be rich in oxygen, and at the same time they absorb harmful chemicals from the air around us. Today, when the situation is getting worse day by day and we all are suffering from this pandemic, growing plants, raising plants indoors inside our house not only enriches oxygen, but at the same time it reduces stress and make you feel better. Hey guys, this is Sheetal. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. You all are taking care of yourself and staying indoors, not going out in crowded places. And one more thing I would like to request you friends, that please don't skip your vaccination. Whenever you get slot, just book it and book an appointment for yourself and go and get vaccinated, because this COVID, even if we ignore this, it's not going to go anywhere. It's going to stay with us, and to prevent ourselves from getting infected, we have to get vaccinated, and prevention is always better than cure, right? By the way, few days back I got my first dose of vaccine. And friends, I have one more request. Please do share my video as much as possible. Even if this video helps a single person, I'll be very happy. And you know, हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना, वीडियो बनाने का सार्थक हो गया, वैसे हो जाएगा. So please do share my video as much as possible. Now let's move on to today's video. Today I am going to talk about oxygen rich plants, also known as air purifying plants. I am going to tell you how exactly they work and what kind of magic they do to you, and I'm going to show you such 25 plants which are known as oxygen rich plants. So let's start then. Now you might think all the plants take carbon dioxide and release oxygen while photosynthesis, right? So what is the special about these oxygen rich plants? So there are certain plants which release comparatively more amount of oxygen, and yeah, this is proven by NASA in a research in the year 1989. There are a few plants which release oxygen at night as well. They have this mechanism known as crassulacean acid metabolism. Mainly cacti and succulents fall in this category. These are the desert plant, and being in desert, they don't open their stomata in the daytime to exchange gases to reduce moisture loss. They keep the stomata closed during day, and when at night temperature cools down little bit, that time they open their stomata and take in carbon dioxide, release oxygen and store that carbon dioxide. Let that carbon dioxide diffuse in their cells, and in daytime they do their photosynthesis using it with the help of sunlight. There are many harmful chemicals present in the air around us, and through breathing we are taking those chemicals inside our body which are affecting harmfully on our body. But there are a few oxygen rich plants. What do? Not only release oxygen, but they take those chemicals also. They absorb those chemicals as well. They clear those chemicals from the air and make our air pure. You might get shocked hearing this, but yeah, our indoor air inside our house is comparatively or 3 to 4% more polluted than outside air. Yeah, outside pollution, it is dispersed over the large area, so somehow automatically all these chemicals, all these harmful gases get dissolved or diluted in the air. But in our home there are so many things which produce, which release these harmful chemicals. Mainly synthetic materials like plastic, rubber, paints on the wall or furniture, cleaning agents, and their daily use, they are a part of our life, so their daily use releases so many harmful chemicals in the air around us. And if we have these specific oxygen rich plants at our home, then what will they do? They will absorb all these harmful chemicals from the air of our home, and automatically quantity of oxygen in the air will increase. In the year 2004, there was another study released which states that microorganisms present in the soil of plants also help in cleansing the air. They also absorb chemicals, which leads to improve the air quality more. But keeping one or two plants, couple of plants here and there in a room or in the house is not sufficient. Actually, the amount of carbon dioxide we release and the chemicals present in the air surrounding us, if you want to absorb all that, then if you have a room size 100 square feet, then you need minimum 8 to 10 plants to absorb all the chemicals and carbon dioxide from the air present in 100 square feet room. But in our houses, room size is not all that small. Average room will be 200 square feet, and to absorb all the carbon dioxide and chemicals, to cleanse the air present in 200 square feet big room, we need minimum 20 to 25 plants. Then only this is going to happen. Now you might think, yeah, you are telling you should keep 20 to 25 plants in a room, but we don't have space, that much of space to keep those many plants. Then I can give you some alternatives. What you can do, you can go for container gardening, which is planting same requirement plants in one big pot, which will save your place, which will save your space. Or else what you can do, you can get shelves like this, you can keep your plants on them. Or else you can go for vertical gardening, or you can go for hanging baskets as well. I have uploaded a video about hanging baskets a few weeks back, and I'll be sharing link over here. And in that video I have given you 25 such plants, 25 plants which look great in hanging baskets, and few of them are oxygen rich plants as well. So now let's see which are these plants which are known as oxygen rich or air purifying plants. You might have read about them or heard from somebody about them. So let's start. First plant I'm going to show you is this pothos. Pothos. This is very underrated and very common plant, but yeah, this is the air purifying plant. Next one is this fiddle-leaf fig. Then monstera, any species of monstera also considered as air purifying plant. Can't see, I guess, monstera. Species of monstera. Then next one is this Dracaena. Then another plant is this one, ZZ. This is also a best air purifying plant. Then next one is Sansevieria, also known as snake plant. These days Sansevieras are called Dracaenas only. Snake plant belongs to succulent family, so it absorbs carbon dioxide at night and releases oxygen at night. So this is the best plant to keep in your bedroom. Then next one is Aglaonema. There are many species of Aglaonema, many varieties of Aglaonema are present. You can go for any variety. All of them are known as air purifying plants. Different species of Philodendron. Gerbera. Ficus. There are many varieties of ficus available. Even this bonsai, these all are listed as air purifiers. Like snake plants, aloe veras also absorb carbon dioxide at night and release oxygen, so you can keep them in bedrooms. Spider plants, all varieties of spider plants. Poinsettia, banana tree, English ivy, my all-time favorite, Schefflera. Different varieties of Dieffenbachia. One of the best medicinal plant, Tulsi, also known as holy basil, Anthuriums, all varieties of ferns, Areca palm, all varieties of Syngonium, all of the cacti varieties, peace lily, the best air purifying plant, and this is Ficus elastica. This is the last plant on list. So friends, that's all for today. I hope you liked my video and it will be useful for you. Even if it is 0.1% helpful for you, then do share my video, do share it with your loved ones, friends, family. Thank you so much, and you guys stay safe, take care, and don't go out and get vaccinated as soon as possible.